Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to skip Samsung account setup screen on a Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So as you can see, I am currently in the setup. Previously I could choose to enable or disable Gemini. Actually it's always enabled. You can only disable the hands-free. And then the next step is to log in into Samsung account, but I want to skip it and there is no skip button. So in order to just skip it, we simply click forgot password or don't have an account. And in here we click this setup later in settings. Now the phone will try to actually tell us why we should totally make and sign in into a Samsung account. But let's say we are really stubborn, so we now click the skip button. Now we can click skip. We can disable anything Samsung related. We can enable our light mode or dark mode. And now we can just use our phone without interacting with the Samsung account itself. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.